Right. Are you getting my voice? All of you respond in chat window. Are you able to listen my voice? Right. Now, it was session number 10. Session number 10. So that means we have completed till the time 9 sessions, and core Python will be the 10th session. And who are missed previous sessions, you don't require to worry. And yes, that 9 sessions my team will share you in your like in WhatsApp. And right now also they will share you. So try to take the previous session recordings and as well as WhatsApp group link by all the people who are attending today's first session. Let me try to understand. Raise your hands. How many are attending today's first session? Raise your hand. How many are attending today's first session? Fast. Right. So let me check whether you are able to see my notepad or not. Yes. Uh, who is your favorite actress in Telugu? Just respond in chat window. Don't write the question, just write the answer. Write the answer. Just write the answer, only answer. Right. Now come back. Favorite actress, not actor. Yeah. Now come back to our discussion. Right. So just is suggesting whether you are able to see my notepad or not. Yes. Yeah. Now let's go for programming. In 9 sessions, we have seen some basic programming, introduction to Python, then basic programs by using Python, then data types, typecasting. Now we are going to do some programs by using input function. Program 1. Write a Python program to accept name, to accept employee name, store, write a Python program to accept employee information, that is employee name, store into ename variable, employee location, store into ELOC variable, and print to the user. Print to the user and print to the user. Print to the user. Right. Okay. So this is the story, right? Are you clear about this? All of you understood? Are you clear? Are you clear about this? Are you clear? Yeah. Now accepting employee name. You are accepting from the user, not storing. Right. So for this, how many values you are accepting from the user? 2 values. One is employee name. That employee name you are storing into ename variable. Second, employee location. Employee location you are storing into ELOC variable. Right. Now, step 1, design with the OP. Step 1, design with the OP. Design with the OP. Design with the OP. Okay, now, right. Design with the OP. Okay, right. Now, come back to our discussion. We are going for designing with OP, right? Okay, now, let's see what is this design, all of you. Yes. OP OP. Yes. Enter employee name. Enter employee name. Employee name. And user entered Rama. User entered Rama plus enter. It is accepting by input function. That input function is returning Rama with the double quotes, like string value. Now LHS, you are creating one variable called ename and assignment operator Rama. Next to enter employee location. Enter employee location, that is Hyderabad. Enter symbol. Then Hyderabad. It's accepting by input function. That function will return Hyderabad as a string value. Then ELOC, a variable. Next, Hyderabad, you have to assign Hyderabad. Now, output is employee name. Your employee name is Your employee name is Rama. Your employee name is Rama. Next, your employee location is Hyderabad. Your employee location is Hyderabad. Now we are doing design, boss. Try to understand. Hyderabad. Your employee location is Hyderabad. Right. So this is a story. Okay, now this is step 1. Step 1 is nothing but design with OP. Now we have to go for step 2. Step 2 is what? Program. Step 2 is what? Program. Step 2 is what? Program. I'm going to write the program in Python IDE. Yes, click this. Python IDE, come on. Now, not required. Already we created Python file is there. Here you have a file called test.py. Right click of that file. You can open, edit with IDE. This you can do. Or else you click the Python icon and you can create Python icon. You can create, and this is Python software icon, IDE icon. Click this. Next, file, new file, and just save as saving the file test.py and on desktop save. Yes. Okay, what is this exactly? Ename equal to input of enter employee name. ELOC equal to input of enter employee location. The employee location, right? Print of your employee name is ename. Again, print of your employee location is variable name, ELOC. Right. This is a 4 lines code. And I think so all of you guys are recording simultaneously. I'm giving time also. Maybe I'm going fast, it seems. This is the question. Now, next, design with OP. This is the design with OP. Design with OP. This is the design with OP. Now, after this, yeah, this is the program. This is a program. Yeah, ELOC. ELOC is a variable, employee location. Like employee name, like a shortcut, ELOC, employee location. Variable name is user defined, programmer defined. You can give whatever name you want. Right. Now, step 2 coding is completed. We'll go for step 3. That is nothing but executing the program line by line. That is called tracing. Shall we go for third step, all of you? Shall we go for third step, all of you? Shall we go for third step, all of you? Third step, all of you. Third step, all of you. Right. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to run the program also. Run. Right. When you run this, you see enter employee name and holding. You enter Rama. Once pressed, it's stored into ename. Next, input function, enter employee location and user enter Hyderabad. Once you press to store into ELOC. Next, print your employee name is ename. Your employee name is ename. Next, print your employee location is ELOC. ELOC. Right. This is a story. Right. I hope you understood what I said. Right. Are you clear up here? But we have to do the third step, that is called tracing. We do tracing. We are going to do. Are you clear up here? Hello. Right. Now come back to our discussion. We go for tracing. Tracing is nothing but executing the program line by line is called tracing. Shall we go for tracing, all of you? Tracing. In tracing, you get understand more clear. If you have any confusion when I run the program, you don't require to worry. In tracing part, you will get the more clarity. In tracing part, you will get the more clarity. What did you understand? How did you understand? Are you okay? Now come back to our discussion. We are going for tracing. We are going for tracing. Tracing is nothing but executing the program line by line. Step 3, tracing, nothing but executing the program line by line. Right. OP, OP, OP. Right. Whenever you run this application, first this line will execute here. This line will execute here. You see, RHS will execute. That is, RHS is input function. It will print enter employee, enter employee name, enter employee name, and it is holding. When user entered Rama, and once user pressed enter symbol, then what will happen? Input function will return that Rama here like double quotes, string value. That means RHS execution is completed. Now LHS. In LHS, it will create a variable called ename, and assignment operator will execute, will get assigned Rama. Now after this, control will go to second line here. Input function will execute, will print enter employee location, and here user entered Hyderabad, enter symbol. then it is taken by your input function and will return Hyderabad with double quotes. Next, LHS will create a variable called ELOC. Then assignment operator will assign Hyderabad. Next, control will execute third line. Here it will execute print. Your employee name is e-name, that is called Rama. It's called Rama. Move the cursor to next time. Next, control will execute this one, print of your employee location is ELOC. ELOC is what? Variable. Variable value will print here. Hyderabad. Move the cursor to next line. This is called tracing. We do follow this process not only for this 4 lines program. Tomorrow 400 line also we follow the same process. It improves the programming skills of the student. This is one of the beautiful programming learning technique, but you should have a lot of time and patience for this. I'll follow this process from my beginning of the teaching. That's why I got this unique name in the market. Right. Are you clear, all of you guys? Right. Understood, all of you. Are you clear? Any problem? Any problem in my voice? Is my voice is clear, or somebody are telling voice is disturbing? Any problem in my voice? Voice clear? Yeah. So are you comfort, or you want the same similar program? One more program you want, or this model is clear? You want same model or other model? You want same model or other model? Right. Now let's go for next program. Next requirement. That is program 2. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program to accept two numbers from the user and perform addition, display addition result to the user. Write a Python program to accept two numbers from the user and perform addition, display addition result to the user. Step 1, designed with OP. Designed with OP. Yes. Yeah. What is this exactly? You see this. All of you. You have to accept first number, you have to accept second number, and so on. I'll write the program directly. Why? Because it has some error. That's why we have to find the issue problem. A equal to int of, sorry, A equal to input of enter first number, B equal to input of enter second number, right? C equal to A plus B, print of print of print of print of addition result is C. Addition result is C. For this, you need to write the code action. You see, user enter 10, user enter 5, and it's giving error. So the reason is 1 minute. I think we have given capital here. Here small, I'm sorry. Because Python is a case sensitive language. 10, 5. It's not like what's happening. It's not doing addition, it's concatenating. Why it's concatenating? Anybody can answer. Why it is concatenating? 10 plus 5 addition, 10 plus 5, 10, 5 is a concatenation. Why it's concatenating? Any idea? Why it's concatenating? Any idea? Because if it is string, it will concatenate. Generally, plus operator will do like this. You observe. What's happening, sir? You can see. I will show you. You see, 10 plus 5 addition, but 10 plus 5 concatenation 105. So input function will return 10 as a string value. That's happening. Right? How to overcome this? By implementing, I want to convert from string to int. I want to convert from string to int. Okay. So we do one thing. Are you clear? Are you understanding what's happening? Are you understanding what's happening? We have to go for typecasting, right? So here we do what first to write small notes here. Note in this example. No, don't write any code, just write note. In this example, user will enter 10. User will enter number, otherwise number, but input function will return, user will enter number, that is 10, but input function will return it as double quotes 10. That is string value. That is string value. But input function will return it as double quotes 10. That is string value. Double quotes 10. That is string value. String value. String value. String value. As well as when you perform addition for string values like below. Like below. It will not do addition. It will do concatenation like below. It will do concatenation like below. You will do concatenation like below. We'll do concatenation like below. How to solve this issue? Answer: by implementing typecasting. That is, we have to convert from string to int. How to convert from string to int? How to convert from string to int? Answer: by implementing typecasting function, that is int of. Typecasting function, that is int of. Typecasting function, that is int of. Right? Are you clear, all of you? Right. So team who are there in the class, from my team who are in the class, let me understand who are in the class. From my team who are in the class. Anyone are there? Arti or Jyoti? Antosh sir? Right. Okay, anyhow, don't worry about WhatsApp links. They will share you. You do one thing, Amma, who are joining today is the first class. You just text to WhatsApp to this number. Like I want to WhatsApp group link of the Python. She will send you. Right. And if you want to do the payment of the advanced Python also, you can text to that number. Right. Now come back to our discussion. Right. Yeah. Okay, now all of you guys, come on, come back to our discussion. Right. By implementing function, that is by implementing typecasting function, that is int. Now we are going to do the design with OP by using int function. By using int function, we are using int function first time. So we are already learned typecasting, but we didn't implement anywhere. Now in this program, first time we are implementing typecasting. Have you recorded the complete notes up to here, all of you? Have you recorded? Have you recorded? Right. Right, guys. We are going to do the design of this. Right. Noted, all of you? Yes. Right. Yes. OP. OP. Right. Enter first number. User enter 10. N is taken by input function. and that input function is returning 10 with double quotes, that is into data type. Then int of function will return with the 10. Now 10 is int. Now LHS is a variable called A assignment to 10. Next, enter second number. Enter second number. User entered 5. 5 is taking input function and will return 5 with the double quotes. That is int. Then int of function will convert 5 into integer. Next, B assignment 5. B assignment 5. 5. Now C A plus B, that is 10 plus 5, 15. C 15 is stored into C. Now addition result is 1, 5, 15. That's it. This is a story. 1, 5, that is 15. Addition result is 15. For this design, we have to write the program. For this design, we have to write the program. For this design, we have to write the program. Right. For this design, we have to write the program. And this is the design. Recorded, all of you. Recorded. Right. Recorded. Yes. Now, right. Now we write the code for this. You see, same. Simple here. You said input function already written. Only one thing you have to include, int of. Here int of, nothing else. Simple int of next int of int of. That's it. Nothing else. Update the code, all of you. Update the code, all of you, fast. All of you, update the code. Right. Over, completed, all of you. Right. We go for now tracing. Step 3, tracing. And before that, let me run the code first of all. Run module. Right. Input of enter first number. Input of 10. When user enter 10, the 10 is returning by input function as a string value here. Here it will return string. Int of function will convert string to integer and it will store into A. Now here, enter second number. Then what happened? Input function will print enter second number. User entered 5. Once user pressed 5, it will return input function as a integer. Input function, it will return as what, integer, sorry, string value. Then int function will return it as a string to into convert. Will be stored into B, 10 plus 5, stored into 15, print addition result is like this. Right, all of you guys understood up to here, everybody are clear? Yeah. Right, are you getting my voice? Is my voice is clear or any low voice? Any low voice? Right, if you are getting low voice means there is a problem from your end, maybe net issue, or else your system speaker or somewhere have problem. Right. Now let me go for tracing of this very clearly, because there is a chance that you may have somewhat confusion here. There is a chance. I'm not sure, but there is a chance. We go for tracing. Step 3 is what? Tracing. Step 3, tracing. Nothing but executing the program line by line, OP. Whenever you run this application, first line here, first int function will call input. Input function will print enter first number, user entered 10. 10 will be taken by input function. Input function will return 10 with double quotes. That's string. And that means this part will contain 10 with double quotes. And that is taken by which function? Into function will take this and it will convert into 10. Just double quotes 10. Into function will convert into 10. Now 10 is here, double quotes 10 is string. Here 10 is what? Int. Okay, now LHS will execute variable A. Next, assignment operator 10. Then after this, control will go for this line. Here, into function will call input function. Input function will print enter second number. Enter second number. User entered 5. 5 will be taken by input function. Then that input function will return accepted 5. It will return with the double quotes 5. Why? Because very clearly we said it will return anything you give to input function, it will return string value. Now into function will convert string to integer. Now into, this is 5 is into. LHS will create a variable called B. Next, assignment operator 5. Now this line A plus B, that is 10 plus 5, that is 15. Now C, variable created, assignment operator 15 will get assigned. Next, print addition result is addition result is 15. 15 over. That's it. Addition result is 15 over. That's it. So this is the story. Are you clear? Are you clear? All of you guys, are you clear? Clear, all of you guys. Clear. Right, over. This is the story. Like this, I'm expecting you to try some programs. Then you will get confidence. Homework. Task 1. Accept 2 numbers and perform subtraction. Display results. Task 2. Accept 2 numbers and perform division, display result. Task 3. Accept two numbers and perform multiplication, display result. Task 4. Enough. Task 4. Enough for 3 tasks are okay. Right. 3 tasks. Right. Can you try these 3 tasks? Or else you try some more. Task 4. Accept two numbers. Accept two numbers. And perform addition and subtraction, display addition and sub result. Task 5. Accept two numbers and perform addition, subtraction, comma, division, comma, multiplication, display addition, comma, sub, comma, div, comma, mul result. Mul means multiplication result. So there are 5 tasks I have given. These 5 tasks also you should do in the step-by-step process. Like first step, design. Second step, write the program in paper, then system. Third step, tracing. So these 5 tasks I'm sharing you. Sir, I'm doing lab, you get result. Sir, I'm not doing lab, you may not get result. That's it. I will not do the lab, sir. All the very, very best. Are you clear? So that is the story. I think so. You have already this one. Yes. Okay, next task 3. I'm sending you in chart. Task 3, 4, 5. I am not doing lab, sir. All the very, very best. I'm doing, sir. You get result. That's it.